Okay, in this topic we will be covering standard form. So, question number one. Some data about two planets, Earth, Mars, is shown in the table. This is the data. How much greater is the average temperature on Earth than Mars? So, compare the temperatures. These are the temperatures, larger value minus the smaller value. So 15 plus 16, 33, and that's 358, 617, 78. Write down the volume of Mars in standard form. Mars volume million, so 162,123 million means 10 raised to power 6. In standard form, there is a decimal after the first digit, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add 5 to this, you get 1.6. 2 times 10 raised to the power 11. Calculate the difference in masses between Earth and Mars. Give your answer in standard form. So this is Earth and Mars, copying these values. This value is larger as the power is greater. So 5.98 times 10 raised to power 21 minus 6.58 times 10 raised to power 20. So making the power same, this becomes 59.8 into 10 power 20 minus 6.58 into 10 power 20. The power is same, you have to take away these numbers. 59.8 minus 6.58. 7, 10, 10 minus 8 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 4, 9, okay, that was already 9, sorry, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 5, so 53.22 times 10 raised to power 20, and converting it into standard form is 5.32 into 10 raised to power 20. Question number 2. The speed of light is given 3 into 10 raised to power 5 kilometers per hour. Write each answer in standard form. Calculate the distance in kilometers that light travels in 1 minute. So distance is equals to speed into time. Speed is 3 into 10 raised to power 5 kilometers per second. So time must be in seconds. 1 into 60. 6 3 times is 18 into 10 raised to power 5, and we need to convert it into standard form. So 1.8 into 10 raised to power 7. When you reduce the zeros from here, increase on the other side. The time taken in seconds that light takes to travel 150 kilometers. Distance is equals to speed into time. Distance is 150. Speed is 3 into 10 raised to power 5. Units are compatible, kilometer and kilometer per second. 150 over 3 into 10 raised to power 5 is equals to time. 3 1 times, 3 5 times. So 50 divided by 5 zeros, this is 50 into 10 raised to power minus 5, rules of indices. And 5.0 into 10 raised to power minus 4. You reduce this, then you increase this. Express this as standard form. So first digit, decimal, and count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So into 10 raised to the power minus 5. A house was bought for $20,000 and sold for $50,000. Calculate the percentage profit. So the profit is actually 30,000 divided by the original price times 100. Get rid of these zeros. To 1 times, to 50 times. 15 to 3 is 150%. So it is 150% profit. Vicky's fingernail grows 1 nanometer in 1 second. 1 nanometer is 1 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meters. Vicky calculates how much her fingernail grows in 1 hour. Find the length in standard form, giving your answer in meters. So in 1 second it grew 1 into 10 raised to power minus 9. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes, and then again there are 60 seconds. So 3600 into 10 raised to power minus 9. Now we have to adjust these three zeros. 3.6 into 10 raised to power minus 6. When you reduce value from here, you increase on the other side. This is in meters and millimeters. There are 1000 millimeters in 1 meter. So multiply by 1000. This power again goes by 3. So 3.6 into 10 raised to power minus 3. It is given that this is the expression, find D. Okay, this number is being multiplied on left hand side, so I'll divide it on the other side. D plus 3 times 10 raised to power 2 is equal to 8 into 10 raised to power 6 divided by 2 into 10 raised to power 3. 2 1 times, 2 4 times, 3 zeros gone, 3 left. So this is added on this side, it would subtract on the other side. Zero 0.4 into 10 raised to power 2 minus 3 into 10 raised to power 2. Now you take out the powers. Sorry, this is 4. We need to make the powers same. So 40 into 10 raised to power 2 minus 3 into 10 raised to power 2. 40 minus 3 is 37 into 10 raised to power 2, and in standard form that is 3.7 into 10 raised to power 3. The mass of 1 grain of rice is given. Write this in standard form. Decimal after the first digit into 10 raised to power, so we increased it by 1 2 3 4 5 places. That's minus 5. The table shows the amount of rice grown in some countries. Write the amounts in order, smallest first. So let's do it here, so I don't have to zoom it out. Smallest first, so just go for this power. 7.6 into 10 raised to power 6. This is the smallest power, and this is the highest power, 1.2 times 10 raised to power 8. Then there are other two. Now between these two, 7 and 7 power is same, but 2.1 is a smaller number. So 2.1 into 10 raised to power 7 and 8.0 into 10 raised to power 7. Calculate the difference in amount of rice grown in Brazil and Vietnam. This is Brazil, this is Vietnam, this is the larger value, so 2.1 into 10 raised to power 7 minus 7.6 into 10 raised to power 6. So first make the powers same. I'm making this 6. 21 into 10 raised to power 6 minus 7.6 into 10 raised to power 6. 21 minus 7.6 into 10 raised to power 6. Do the decimals. 1, this is 0, 10 minus 6 is 4, 2, this is 10 minus 7 is 3, so 13.4. 13.4 into 10 power 6. So we write 1.34 into 10 power. We reduced it by 1 unit, so increase this side by 1 unit. A large tank contains 2.6 into 10 raised to power 6 liters of oil. During a 4-week period, 1.2 into 10 raised by 5 liters were used. Calculate how many liters of oil remain in the tank after 4 weeks. Give your answer in standard form. So total minus used. This is the remaining number. 23 times 10 raised to power 5 minus 1.2 times 10 raised to power 5. So 23 minus 1.2. 21.8 times 10 raised to power 5 and 2.18 times 10 raised to power 6. Giving your answer in standard form, calculate the average number of liters used each week. So these are the number of liters used in 4 weeks. So 1.2 into 10 raised to power 5 divided by 4. So 4 1 times, this is 0.3. 0.3 times 10 raised to power 5. Convert it into standard form, decimal after the first digit. We increased from here, so we decrease from the other side. Express this number in standard form. This is 4.2 1 2 3 4 5 10 raised to the power minus 5. B part. 7 3 times is 21. Basis same powers add. 2.1 into 10 raised to power 7. A swarm of lotuses contains 40 billion lotuses. A billion is 1,000 million. So 1,000 million is this. Write down in standard form. 40 into 10 raised to power 9. Converting it into standard form. There you go. Each lotus eats 2 grams of food every day. Find the amount of food eaten by swan in 1 week. 2 grams every day. So 2 into 7 into 4.0 into 10 raised to power 10. 7 4 times is 28. 28 into 2 is 56. Into 10 raised to power 10. 5.6 into 10 raised to power 10. 10 raised to power 11 grams. Converting it into kilograms divided by 1000. So 5.6 into 10 raised to power 11 divided by 1000. This becomes 5.6 into 10 raised to the power 8. The table shows the population of some countries in 2010. The population of Mexico was this. In the table above, complete the row for Mexico. Give your answers in standard forms. Correct to 2 significant figures for Mexico. So 2 significant figures. This is right here. So this becomes 1.1. And we count the remaining numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times 10 raised to the power 8. Complete the following sentences. The population of Russia is 10 times the population of. So this is Russia and it is 10 times of what? 8 8 8 1.7. So this is clearly 10 times. Difference of 1 0 and the other number is same. Senegal. The population of Russia is 10 times the population of Senegal. The population of this is 1/5 of population of Indonesia. So we know what Indonesia is. We can take out what 1/5 makes. So divided by 5. So basically 2.4 by 5. If I double this, this is 4.8 by 10 and 0.48. So basically 0.48 into 8, we are looking at something which figure comes around this. The power is 7, 4.8, South Korea. Calculate the difference in population between South Korea and Senegal. So this is South Korea, this is Senegal. Larger number 4.8 into 10 raised to power 7 minus smaller number 1.4 into 10 raised to power 7. Powers are already same. 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, so 3.4 times 10 raised to power 7. Write the number in standard form. 3.4, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Express your answer in standard form. 5 4 times is 20, basis same powers add, 10 raised to power 15, so 2.0 into 10 raised to power, you decrease from here, then you increase on the other side. 2.0 times 10 raised to power 16. P is given, Q is given. Giving your answer in standard form, find P plus Q. Again, in order to add them, powers must be same. So if I make this 0.24, the power increases into 10 raised to power 3 plus 6 into 10 raised to power 3. So this becomes 6.24 into 10 raised to the power 3. 2p divided by q. So 2 times 2.4 into 10 raised to power 2 divided by q, 6 into 10 raised to power 3. 2 1 times, 2 3 times. We know 3 8 times is 24. So 3 1 times, 3 0.8 times is 2.4. Get rid of these zeros. So 0.08. Writing it in standard form is 8 into 10 raised to the power. We moved the decimal by 2 places. Minus 2. When you go to the right, you put a negative sign. When you move to left, you put a positive sign. The table shows the information about annual coffee production of some countries in 2010: Brazil, Vietnam, Colombia, Indonesia. In 2010, Brazil produced 48 million bags of coffee. Complete the table. So 48 into 10 raised to power 6 would make it 4.8 into 10 raised to power 7. How many more bags of coffee were produced in Vietnam than in Colombia? Vietnam then in Colombia, so we need to subtract this. I'm making it 18.5 into 10 raised to power 6. In Colombia is 9.2 into 10 raised to power 6. So 10 raised to power 6 stays there into 10 raised to power 6, and difference between these two numbers is 5 minus 2, 3, 9. 9.3 into 10 raised to power 6. Mass of bag of coffee is 60 kgs. Work out the number of kilograms of coffee produced in Indonesia. So Indonesia produces 8.5 times 10 raised to power 6 bags into 60. So 8.5 into 6. 6 5 times 30. 6 8 times 48, 41, 42, 43. This decimal right here makes it 4.3. So 6 into 8.5 is 43. Give this 0 to this 10 raised to power 7. Convert it into standard form. Reduce from here, you increase on the other side. So 4.3 into 10 raised to the power 8. Evaluate this. Okay. Anything raised to power 0 is basically 1. So this is 5 plus 3 into 10 is 30 plus 1 into 100 is 100. So 135. Find your answer in standard form. 5 into 2.4. If it would have been 10, it is 24. 5 is half of that, so 12 into basis same powers add 10 raised to the power 5. Standard form, we reduced it from here, we increase on the other side. 1.2 into 10 raised to the power 6. One more question for today. Write this number in standard form. 3.5 into 10 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Giving your answer in standard form, evaluate this. So making it 42. When you increase on the left side, you decrease on the right side. Divided by 3 into 10 raised to the power minus positive 4. Positive 4. So 3 1 times, 3 16 times is 42. So 16 divide, we subtract the powers into 10 raised to the power minus 7. Answer in standard form is 1.6 into 10 raised to the power. Decrease from here, you increase on the other side. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.